Okay, transport of oxygen. So oxygen is transported by the hemoglobin in the red blood cells. When the concentration of oxygen is high, as it is in the lungs, oxygen combines with hemoglobin to form the unstable compound called oxyhemoglobin. And when the concentration of oxygen is low, as it is in the tissue cell, oxygen and hemoglobin they break, hence oxygen is released. The released oxygen from the hemoglobin is called, the release of oxygen from the hemoglobin is called dissociation. Okay, oxygen is taken up by the cell where it is used for respiration. Hemoglobin is set free so that it can go and grab more oxygen from the lungs. Okay, that's all about the transport of oxygen in the human body. Transport of carbon dioxide in the human body. So carbon dioxide, of course, as we may be aware, it is produced by or during the process of respiration. This carbon dioxide must be removed quickly because if left to accumulate in the body, it forms an acid that changes the blood pH. And you know that drastic change in a pH of the body fluid can lead to death, since most of the enzyme controlled reaction they'll stop. Okay, carbon dioxide is transported in the body in three forms. Number one, some carbon dioxide is transported by a plasma as a carbonic acid. Number two, it can also be transported in dissolved form. The third one is carbon dioxide can also be transported by hemoglobin. It can combine with hemoglobin to form an unstable compound called carbaminohemoglobin. Carbaminohemoglobin is simply the combination of carbon dioxide and hemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin is a combination of oxygen and hemoglobin. And this carbaminohemoglobin compound, then it deassociates in the lungs, releasing carbon dioxide to be removed by the lungs and setting hemoglobin free to pick up another oxygen. And the last one we can look at is transportation of carbon monoxide in the human body. Carbon monoxide is produced from the burning of organic matter in a poorly ventilated room or in a low oxygen supply. Hemoglobin then has a high affinity to carbon monoxide than for oxygen. That is, it will readily combine with oxygen. Carbon monoxide combined with hemoglobin to form a stable compound called carboxyhemoglobin. This compound does not easily dissociate. Hence, hemoglobin is not set free to collect oxygen. This can lead to death as the body fails to take in oxygen. So in summary, when oxygen combines with the hemoglobin, it forms the unstable compound called oxyhemoglobin. When carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin, it forms the unstable compound called the carbaminohemoglobin. And when oxygen combines with the carbon monoxide, it forms a stable compound called the carboxyhemoglobin. Please do take note of these terminologies. They are important as far as the understanding of the entire part of biology is concerned. I thank you and God bless you. This is where we end the lesson for today, and the next time we'll start looking at blood clotting, and you'll be communicated when the lesson or the class session is arranged. Thank you once again, and please feel at home as you continue to interact with us using this platform called Shining Star Academy Learning Platform. You can also follow us on our YouTube channel. Just type or search Shining Star Academy Learning Platform. You can also find us on Twitter. Just type Humphrey Chirufia. Thank you so much. God bless you.